guys. Whoa. So, we're going to...
We're taking a walk.
Yes.
This is where it's really slippery.
And my driveway's ice, so we're going to try not to die. And it's
a
raining
car.
a little, and there's
Why
a
the
car.
heck is there a car?
I don't know.
People
but...
live here?
Oh, next door?
Awkward.
So, we thought
Whoa! I always told you cloudy lighting is our best lighting.
we thought we would vlog us walking up the street.
In the rain.
Yeah, in the rain.
I mean, it's also like really cold out, and we should have jackets on, but
we don't. So, yeah, as you can see, snow everywhere, and we're dressed like this.
a lot of it is melted, though.
I was like, what the heck was
What the
that?
heck is that?
Isn't it the...
Oh, that one.
Yeah.
I thought it was Sawyer for a minute. I was like, he sounds really close.
So, I'm about to look real ratchet as my hair gets wet.
Same.
I don't know what my bangs are doing.
I don't know what my life is doing.
I can't believe we used to, like, just do this. We would just pull out a
All the
camera,
time.
and we would just talk.
All the time.
And whatever, like, came out of our mouths was our content. And we would edit nothing.
I know. We used to, like, literally MnS raw.
I should do that. I should not edit this.
So this is our strip down challenge.
This is our strip down challenge.
Woo! Strip down
Except
challenge.
the difference, I think strip down challenges are usually 10 minutes long. This is probably not going to be 10 minutes. Maybe, I don't know. We ramble.
Then again, how long has it been?
It's only been a minute, almost 2 minutes.
Bye, dog.
My arm hurts.
Do you want to change?
Yeah.
Oh. Sorry, I just coughed in your face.
Content. Oh, I miss walking.
I don't miss walking in this cold.
I don't really mind this.
No, but like my breathing.
Yeah, I don't mind it.
Oh.
You're great at holding cameras.
I'm really not. This is why I'm not the camera holder.
Yeah, we used to walk up the street for everything. Soda machine, bus stop, just to walk.
Hang out with mom at the gate.
Yeah, we used to just do this all the time.
I'm so sorry, I'm a really bad phone holder.
My hair looks so... I don't know. The color.
It's like a chestnut.
Yeah, it's like chestnuts roasting on an open fire.
Jack Frost.
Nipping at your nose. Got your nose.
No, you don't. I can see it in the camera.
That took me so long to understand.
Oh, I'm getting tired.
You don't hold it. So, we were out of shape. We can't hold this up. Let us know in the comments if you can't hold a camera that long. By the way, we're recording on my phone, so let us know if you can hold the phone this long. Or if we're just that pathetic. Let us know if you live in this development.
You'll know it if you see the background.
Yeah, you'll know.
And when you see
These
the
houses.
soda machine, you'll know.
Yeah, you'll know. Is that orange? That's orange.
Oh,
it's right in front of my face.
I'm high.
What? What?
I feel high.
I'm letting you guys know, in our video that was uploaded on January 3rd, at the end of the video, she said get off the weed. We were not on weed.
Neither one of us smoke weed.
No. So if you ever hear us talking about being high, we're not.
It's just because I always look high and I always sound high.
Meeghan always looks and sounds high, so we just joke around about it all the time.
All the time.
Here goes the car.
There's Jeanette.
Oh, awkward.
I think I made eye contact.
Story time. Remember that time that I talked about being blamed for stealing money?
That family.
That was their mom.
Is it a school day?
Is it? What's
I just
today?
saw a school bus.
Today is Tuesday.
Did they really go back to school already?
Probably. I remember
I'm cold.
I remember we used to do that in high school.
Oh yeah. You know, there's not a bus stop out there anymore.
Yeah, I know. They're at the...
Like, why couldn't we have that?
I don't know.
Oh my gosh, Marilyn's working the gate. What if she sees me and calls my mother and tells her I'm not wearing a jacket?
Would she do that?
I don't know. Anything's possible.
That's a little extreme. I don't think she'd do that. It's like so unnecessary. I don't think she'll do that.
The rain hurts my face.
hurts mine too.
Okay.
There's a lot of cars
That
today.
is not 25 miles an hour.
Usually when we're walking, there's nobody. So.
Oh, great. You have to stay on the side of the road.
Weren't we? Oh, so me and Meeghan used to do this thing where whenever a car would come by, we would try to stand on opposite sides of the street.
And people hated it.
Yeah. I don't know why we did that, but we did. We didn't do it this time though.
No, we were
In
kind
case you're
of...
wondering.
And there's a lot of snow.
Man, we've already been recording for 5 minutes. Maybe it will be 10 minutes.
I keep breathing and like my breath is going into my glasses and fogging them up.
Well, look at my hair. Beautiful!
Yeah, we look good.
Doesn't-
Marilyn's busy. We're good.
I'm telling you, she wouldn't do that.
I don't know. It's Marilyn though.
I wish I could flip my camera, like, as it's recording.
You can't?
No,
That's annoying.
I know. You do on Snapchat.
Snapchat. I hate us.
I can't believe I'm recording this in the rain. I hope I don't ruin my phone.
Isn't it like waterproof?
I honestly don't know. What? Oh man. We used to do this all the time actually.
We really did.
Yeah, we used to be desperate.
Not anymore.
Not anymore. Well, except for today. Well, we're not desperate today. Although, I kind of feel like I am.
Same.
I do really want soda right now.
If this went up, I swear to God.
Alright. It should have gone up.
No, it didn't. Give me Eric and
Hold
James
that.
or not.
I need to...
This is the soda machine. My glasses are full of water. This is Stephanie putting quarters in. Don't you dare get any attitude.
Don't start with me! Is that one going?
It ate it.
No. No!
Let's try putting a second one in.
Here, I have ones. Let me see how many I have.
Oh my gosh, I just got a quarter stuck.
Meeghan, I'm so...
Oh my gosh, it's stuck.
Meeghan!
Stephanie, I'm sorry. Oh my gosh, both of them are stuck in there.
Great.
I hate my life.
Meeghan!
I can see the one.
Tens?
No,
Ones?
except ones.
I have one.
Yeah, but we can't put quarters in.
We're just gonna see how many ones I got.
What if you only have one?
I shouldn't. I should have more than one.
$1.
There's two. This is so ratchet.
Wait, should we get a soda and get change, or should we just put all the money in?
Put all the money in.
So that's $125, $250, $375. We need $5 bills.
You said it doesn't. No one takes ones.
No, I mean five $1 bills. Stephanie.
Maybe that's all it takes at once.
Okay. What do you want? Pepsi?
Yeah.
Are you flipping kidding me?
What the heck?
You can give us change now. Your soda's out.
Where's our change?
It ate it! What the heck? Stephanie?
Is that legit? What the heck?
We deserve 75 cents back.
It's not even gonna take it.
We walked all the way up here for this.
I'm so angry.
Kick the side of the soda machine. It ate our money. It just legit ate $1.25. Because it ate your 75 cents, and then it ate
What do
your
you
two
want?
quarters.
Pick what you want. Let's see.
If it gives me 4, I'll be happy. Stephanie, it's not giving you change. Did we break it?
Did we break it?
Eric and James are gonna be so mad. Try to put money in.
I don't have any more money to put in. I don't think. Wait, I might. Yeah, I do.
This is not cool. Why? It legit ate over almost $2 now.
Yeah.
75 plus 75 is 150 plus 2 quarters plus 3 quarters. We're up to 275 now.
Now it ain't my quarter.
Eric
Sorry,
and
Eric and James, we can't. It's broken. Oh, there's a quarter. That's it, though. Let's try it.
Stephanie,
What am I gonna do with the quarter, though?
you have to give it back to Erica. It ate 2 of her quarters.
Oh, did it?
Yes!
Oh, those are the ones you got stuck.
Yes! Only one is stuck. I can still see it.
Well, I put another one in there, so there's 2 in there.
No, but it's stuck. Can you see it?
Yeah, but there's 2 stuck in there.
Can you see that quarter?
That's it.
Yes.
Stole it.
Ow, I just kicked the wall.
Let's just end our video here.
But this is...
We just got change back.
Remember when we robbed the soda machine that one time?
Alright, that's all we get.
No, you still deserve 75 cents from each of those $2 you
I'm
put
not
in.
gonna get them back. Meeghan, let's end the video because this phone's being weird.
Ooh, it is. Okay,
Yeah.
well, 12 minutes later, that's our strip down challenge. We're sorry.
Thanks for watching.
I'm choking myself. Have a great day. Stay warm. If you haven't seen our latest video, you can watch it here.
And subscribe if you haven't. Click here. I don't know if this video is weird. I'm sorry.
All right, that was the MnS show.